Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Las Vegas, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we're going to walk through how to plan a deck that actually fits your home and the way you live, not just whatever shape happens to be easiest to build. A lot of decks start with a simple idea. Let's just add something off the back door. But the best outdoor spaces feel like they were always meant to be there. They line up with doors and windows. They make it easy to move around, and they give you useful areas instead of leftover corners. That doesn't happen by accident. It comes from careful planning before the first post goes into the ground. The first step is purpose. Ask yourself, what do I really want this deck to do for me? Maybe you want space for a table and chairs so you can eat outside. Maybe you want a lounging area, a place for a grill, or room for an outdoor kitchen in the future. Some homeowners want a quiet corner off a bedroom. Others want a big gathering area that ties into patios, pergolas, or even a future sunroom. The clearer you are on purpose, the easier it is to design the right size and shape. Next, look at how your home is laid out. Where are the doors? How high off the ground are they? Do you already have a small concrete pad or patio that the deck might connect to? We think about how people will come and go, from the kitchen, living room, or maybe a sliding door, and how stairs will land in the yard. You don't want steps dropping you into a narrow strip of grass or a tight corner. You want clean paths that feel natural to walk. Sun and shade are another big factor in Las Vegas. Our sun is strong, so we pay attention to which side of your home gets the most direct light and at what time of day. A deck on the west side of a house might be very hot in the afternoon. That might push you toward adding a pergola, roof cover, or shade structure. Planning for those features ahead of time allows us to build the frames strong enough to support them safely from the beginning. Material choice also affects design. Composite decking, like Trex, gives us consistent board sizes and a wide range of colors that can complement your home's exterior paint, roof, and existing hardscape. If you have a light-colored stucco home and a concrete patio, for example, we might suggest a composite tone that bridges those elements and keeps the deck cooler underfoot. With wood, we have to factor in staining and ongoing maintenance as part of your long-term plan. Zones are another smart planning tool. Think of your deck as a set of rooms without walls. One zone might be for dining, another for lounging, another for grilling. We can use changes in direction, steps, railings, or built-in benches to gently separate those areas without breaking up the space. That makes the deck feel organized and intentional, instead of just one big flat surface. At Tuff Deck Builders Las Vegas, we often stand in the yard with homeowners and talk through how they picture using the space. We ask questions like, where would you put your grill? Do you want a direct path from the kitchen? Do you want to be able to see the kids from inside the house while they're on the deck? That conversation shapes the layout in a way drawings alone can't. We also think ahead. Maybe you're not ready for an outdoor kitchen or a pergola right now, but you know you might add one later. In that case, we can design the frame and layout to make those future upgrades easier. That could mean reinforcing certain areas, planning where utilities might run, or leaving space where a cover could attach down the road. If you're starting to think about your own deck project and want some help getting the plan right, you can reach our team at 702-766-9561 or visit toughdeckbuilderslasvegas.com. We're happy to walk the yard with you, talk through ideas, and turn your vision into a solid, buildable plan. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Las Vegas. Join us next time as we keep exploring smart ways to design and build outdoor spaces that are strong, safe, and truly useful for everyday life.